Society, and I have all of the blankets that you made. We're gonna take them inside. We're gonna give them to some of the cats that are here, and we're going to meet one of the dogs that is here as well. You guys ready?
What's up?
These pieces go in the bowl, and they can't move them. That's will give 2 stalks to each group. Don't touch it until you're ready.
Lonnie, Bowen.
New blanket for you.
Lily, Jude, and Madeline. I know all their names.
Is this normal for me?
Does everyone to say bye? Thank you.
Thank you, Cooks Who Care. See you later.
And have a good day!